Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all to Santukaram National Model School. I'm your teacher, Mr. Sachin Suryavanshi. I would be teaching you Social Studies Class 4. So let's start. We will revise what we have learned in previous video series. This is a new video series. So this video series would be about the Thar Desert or the Western Desert, the desert area of our India. It is a separate physical division. We have previously learned the southern or the peninsular plateau, the southern plateau or the peninsular plateau in just previous videos. You can see those videos on our YouTube channel, as well as you can revise your QR code. In that, we have seen many things, that location and extent of southern plateau, it is triangular in shape. We have also seen many hill ranges and the rivers within that southern plateau or the peninsular plateau. We have also seen the flora and fauna. Now, this video series is going to be little exciting, or you can say little interesting, right? Because we are going to learn here the Western Desert. What is meant by Western Desert? Where is the location and extent of Western Desert? What are some of the physical features that you can find regarding this Western Desert? The different names of the Western Desert. You can also learn the flora and fauna of the Western Desert. That is the plant life and animal life of the Western Desert. And as you know, the desert region is a dry region, so there should be some measures. There should measures we should take to conserve the water, as it is a dry area. The rainfall is very much less there, right? So we would be seeing all those things in this video series. So let's start. First thing first, we need to see the location and extent of the Western Desert. So let's go. But before that, before going on to the location and extent of Western Desert, we should see the meaning of desert. What is meant by the desert? Why that particular region is called as a desert? So here you can see on the screen the definition of desert is given here. A desert is an area that receives very little or no rainfall, almost no rainfall. Any area which receives very little or no rainfall will be called as a desert. Now, generally, there are two types of desert. The first one is the cold desert, and the second one is the hot desert. The India, or you can say our country, fortunately have both type of deserts. The first cold desert as well as hot desert. Hot desert that we are going to learn here, that is the Western Desert. And can you recall where is the cold desert? If you have seen the videos regarding the northern mountains, I have mentioned in that where the cold desert is there in our India. Yes, India is having two types of deserts, that is cold desert and hot desert. Cold desert is located in the Ladakh region. The Ladakh region is also called, or it is also known as the cold desert, because no rainfall is there and very less, you can say, flora and fauna or animal life or plant life is available there. Means in Ladakh region, as it is a cold desert, you are having very less animal life and you are having very less plant life there. So here in hot desert, that is in the Western Desert, you can see the temperature goes up to 50 degrees Celsius in the summer season. In the afternoon, or the temperature in summer season, you can say during the daytime, average 50 degrees Celsius, it is the temperature of hot desert is there. That is in the Western Desert, it goes up to near about 50 degrees Celsius. That too in cold desert, it as the name suggests you that it is a cold desert, the temperature goes below freezing point, that is up to minus 50 degrees Celsius, or you can say in cold desert the temperature is below minus 50 degrees Celsius, below the freezing point, or below than that minus 50 degrees Celsius, or it could be lower than minus 50 degrees Celsius. So these are the two types of desert. In this video series, we are going to see the Western Desert. It has different names. We are going to see the location and extent and all such things. It is also known as Marusthali, and we would be seeing the other names of the Great Indian Desert or the Western Desert. As you can see, there are different names for these Western deserts. So we will, if you want to see the Western Desert videos, you would be following the links that would be given in your QR code, as well as you can watch our YouTube channel Till then, bye. We will come on with next video that would be regarding the Western Desert. Bye everyone.